Hi guys, we're going to do a fractions multiplication and division lesson or session. So let's give it a title. Fractions multiply and divide. So for example, 3 over 4 multiplied by 5 over 6. The rule is you multiply across top and bottom. Very simple rule. Now we haven't done any cancelling here. We could have cancelled as well, but let's just do it, just the rule by itself first. Okay, and then that's for 3 into 15 goes 5, 3 into 24 goes 8. And if you do it the other way with cancelling, see the 3 and the 6 can be cancelled. 3 into 3 goes once, 3 into 6 goes twice. So right away you get 1 times 5, which is 5, over 4 times 2, which is 8, which is the same. So it's always better if you can cancel as you go, but if you forget or don't do it, that's fine, no problemo. Let's do another one. So that was number 1. Number 2, 10 over 11 multiplied by 22 over 30. Let's do the cancelling trick on this one. There's a 10 and a 30, or you could just cancel that 0, that goes off. 11 into 11 goes once, 11 into 22 goes twice, so that's 1 times 2 over 1 times 9. 9? How did I get 9? 3. You don't really need to write that step, of course. You could just rub that off and just write 2 over 3. Done. Number 3. Let's mix it up. Mix numerals. 3.5 multiplied by 2 and 1/5. Now, in addition and subtraction, you might recall we were able to do the 3 and the 2 separately. You could go 3 plus 2 or 3 minus 2 and then deal with the fractions by themselves. Here, you cannot just go 3 times 2. It's more complicated than that. So you need to convert 2 improper fractions. So it's 3 times 2 plus 1, so that's 7. 2 times 5 plus 1, which is 11. And then you do that. 7 times 11 is 77 on 10, etc. So I suppose we'll go 7 and 7/10. And that's really all there is to multiplication. Let's do divide. Now divide is really just multiplication as well. You'll see why. 5 over 6 divided by 2 over 3. The trick is you convert it to a multiply by invert. We call it invert and multiply. So we flip that one there. Now you can see there's some chopping happening here. We can 3 into 6 goes twice, 3 into 3 goes once, so that becomes 5 over 4, or 1 1/4. I think we've got more room up here. We'll add one up here. Now we'll do, let's say 5 over 8 divided by 3 over 4. Again, rewrite 5 over 8. Invert and multiply, so should really be called multiply and invert, but that's not what they usually say. Again, we can chop here, or you could just go 20 over 24, and then simplify that to 2 into that goes 10. So 4 into 20 goes 5, 4 into 24 goes 6, and there you go. Now let's do another one. Let's say a fraction of some sort. So 2 and a fifth divided by 3 and 3/4, something tricky looking. There's nothing really tricky about this, of course. 2 times 5 plus 1 is 11 over 5. Convert that to an improper fraction. Maybe we should wait until we do the multiply. Just do the conversion first. 4 times 3 is 12. 12 plus 3 is 15 over 4. And now do it. That way you won't make any mistakes. Now flip or invert. And that's it. Nothing cancels. That's 44 divided by 75. It looks like we have room for one more. Why not figure out one more? How about that? Let's do 1. Nah. Say you had a whole number, 8 divided by 2 and something, a half will do. It's exactly the same, of course. You make it a multiply. Just in our head, we can do that one. That's 5 on 2, so that becomes 2 over 5. So that's 16. All right, we have plenty of practice there, and that becomes 3 1/5. All right, smiley face. Thanks, guys. Hope that was all good. Have a great day, and see you next time. Bye.